Assalamualaikum student, welcome to the second part of our video for Roll of Thunder. Here my cry, and we all know that we do question answers in the second part. First we are going to do the short question answers, and if you just come on page number 54, there is a list of questions over here. So level 1 has got 6 questions which are going to be in the same serial manner in the copy also, and we have got 4 questions from level 2 which will be continued as the numbers are in the book. And for the last 2 questions, that is question number 11 and 12, coming to the 11th question in our copy, and as I am now going to tell you, question number 11 we are going to write by our own. Who is the narrator? Question mark. Okay, now this is question number 11, and for question number 12 we are going to make the 11th the 12th one, यानी कि जो आपके लेवल 2 में लेवल 3 में जो 11 है आप उसको 12 बना लेंगे. And the question is, in what person is the excerpt written, first or third? Question mark. This completes your short questions. Now coming for the copy work, let's start our work in the copy. Placing the heading question answers, and of course the category also in the bracket. We are going to place short over here. We are going now starting the work in the copy, and question number 1 is going to be written as, where are the children going? This is your question number 1 from the book. So its answer is, they are going to school. Question number 2, what kind of weather is described in the story? Answer, it is very hot and dry. Question number 3, what time of year is it? You must be remembering that I have, when we were doing the reading and the explanation, I told you the precise months also over there. So now we are going to write that over here. Question number 3 is having the answer, it is the beginning of the school year, comma, October, though it seems like August. These words will be written in a bracket, and we are going to just put a bracket over here. Though it seems like August, bracket closed, full stop. Question number 4, what food are they carrying for lunch? They are carrying cornbread and oil sausages. Cornbread and oil sausages can be highlighted also. You can highlight them by either underlining them or using a different color pointer. Question number 5, how many characters are there and who are they? Over here we have to write down the number of characters and of course their names also. So the answer is, there are 4 characters. Now we are going to name them. Number 1, Little Man. Second, Christopher John. Third is Stacy. And the 4th is Cassie. Coming to question number 6, what other character is referred to but is not present in this excerpt? And the answer is, the other character is the mother. So we are going to write down the other character is Mama, who is not present, full stop. Can you guess where the story is set? Answer, the story is set in Mississippi, comma, we can conclude this from the Mississippi dust. And here also you can highlight the word Mississippi with a different pointer. Full stop. Question number 8. Why are the characters finding it difficult to make progress? Answer. The heat, comma, the dusty road, and children's reluctance to go to school make the progress difficult. Question number 9. What impression does the excerpt give you? Answer. The excerpt gives us an impression of bad weather, especially the heat, along with the narrator's reluctance to go to school. Full stop. Question number 10. Which character leaves the greatest impression on you and why? Answer. Narrator's character leaves the greatest impression on me because she is too caring towards her siblings. Full stop. Question number 11. Who is the narrator? Answer. Cassie is the narrator. Word Cassie is going to be highlighted. Question number 12. Students, in what person is the excerpt written, first or third? Answer. It is written in first person. First is going to be highlighted. Full stop. And with this we complete our short question answers, and of course now we are going to proceed to the long ones. In the long category, students, we have got only 2 questions, and which we are going to write from page number 54. If you come to level 3 and just see question number 13 over there. Now, of course, we are not going to write down the whole of the question. We are just going to take the first part of the question, and this is going to become the first long in your copy. How does the narrator describe the other characters? Question mark, and it completes here. And now after this, if you just come on page number 55, you will find the second long over there. Question number 14 on page number 55 is becoming the second long in our copy, and the question is, what do you know about the narrator? Question mark. Now let's see how we are going to manage the work in our copies. Let's start our work for the long question answers. We are going to place the heading question answers and of course the category in the brackets. And then we will write down our question from page number 54, which is somewhat like this. How does the narrator describe the other characters? Now, when we are going to do our answer, we are just going to put an introductory line over there, and we are going to make headings over here describing the characters. Let's start our answer. Narrator describes the following characters. Okay, and after this we are going to put the first heading of our answer. It is going to be the little man, and in the bracket we write down 6 years and we close the bracket. Now we are going to describe the little man. First point, very neat, comma, particular about his clothes, full stop. Second point, pays more attention to being tidy than not being late for school, full stop. Point 3, finds the prospect of school and his clothes intriguing, full stop. Now these are the 3 points which are describing the little man. Now we come to the second character of our story, and that is Christopher John. who is 7 years. In the bracket we write down 7 years. These are the ages that we have read about in the story. Now let's see how is Christopher John. First point, short, comma, round, comma, sensitive and cheerful, full stop. Second point, takes little interest in troublesome things, full stop. Third point, wants to remain on good terms with everyone, full stop. Now these are the 3 points which have described Christopher John. Now let's come to the third character, and that is Stacy. We will put the side heading of Stacy and we will write down her about him. Stacy is a kind of moody, number 1. Second, feel restricted by his clothes. Third point, can be cross. Now these are the 3 points which are describing Stacy over there. Now with this we complete our first long question, and now we are proceeding to the second long, which is on page number 55. What do you know about the narrator? Question mark. Here we are going to place the heading of Cassie, as she is the narrator. Placing the heading Cassie, and now we are writing about Cassie. Cassie is the narrator whose age is not mentioned, full stop. Unhappy about the prospect of school, feels that the heat and her high-collared dress is restrictive and to be running freely, full stop. Give us a portrait of other characters, full stop. This completes your question answer category, and now inshallah in the next video we are going to attempt our vocabulary writing in other. Allah Hafiz, take care.